Hello again, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Daniel, your ad here, Valvo. And we have a lot of fun here, but today I want to talk about something serious. All across our nation, people are drawing lines on coordinate planes, but how do we find the slope of those lines? So before we can solve our nation's slope problems, what even is slope? Well, casually, slope is just like the steepness of a line, bruh. Business casually, slope is the ratio that describes the tilt of a line. And formally, slope is equal to rise divided by run, where rise is how much a line goes up or down between point A and point B, and run is how much a line moves right or left from point A to point B. So for example, this line right here has a slope of 2/3. That's because between any 2 points, the ratio of how much the line rises to how much it moves horizontally or runs